Okay, so moving next, what is the importance of the small batches? This, uh, if you see this, if there is a batch is large, it increase variations. But if the batch is small, the variation is less. And we know how important is uh, to reduce this variation in terms of the cyber physical system or the automobile. We know that like concept like the Six Sigma and all, those are applied very much there to deliver the same product, the same quality of the same type. So this is very important here. If we go for the small batches go through the system faster with lower variability. And but it's when we move to the small batches, it's important to when we say hand over to a next stage or hand off batch is very important. Establish cadence and synchronization. We talked about it. Let's see what is when we talk about cadence. What is this? It's about the rhythm or the pattern, and this it, uh, it is the kind of the heartbeat of the development process, and it provides the predictable time boxes uh, and the business rhythm that allow the work to focus on solution development and variability management, so that it provide the predictability. So if we have a same cadence or say having a say scrum of 2 weeks, then if there are different teams working, everybody aligned at the same time, then we know that after 2 weeks there should be a product increment available and it should be integrated. uh, and it really helps us to limit the wait time. It limit the batch size to a single interval, and it reduce the wait time. If not, at least it make the wait time very much predictable, and which internally actually help us to lower the transaction cost, key event like planning, integration, demonstration, and retrospectives. At the same time, there is a synchronization. Everything should be at the same cadence, but it should be synchronized also. And what it helps us to all the team participating in the development of a large system to align their efforts in the time. It causes multiple event happen at the same time. It facilitates cross-functional trade-off and support full system integration and assessment. So to deliver on a cadence require the scope and capacity margin, while to work effectively, design cycle must be synchronized. And how we see this synchronization? And this synchronization is to assure the delivery. If we talk about it, there can be a small PDCA cycle, and then if we combine this, it create a one big product, and then it's further combined to create another product increment. To make sure it happens and this alignment is there, then it should be synchronized. And it allows the alignment, integration, and dependency management. So here we see if there are some multiple teams working for, and then product has to be integrated. This should be synchronized at this cadence, regular interval, which help us to give a kind of a continuous integration to happen and produce a final increment of the product.